Hey, this is Kunzo Car Wash. It is wacky and wild here, you know what I'm saying? It is live. Today is whatever. It is what it is. You will see what kind of characters we got working here. Yeah, videotape all the women over there. That is probably the best cream of the crop we got right over there.
At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kind of hard.
That place was awesome.
Yes, that was the coolest car wash ever.